A triangle has an area of 2 root 15 minus 3 root 6 meters squared and a base of root 15 plus root 6 meters. Find the height. So because this is a triangle and we have an area, we're going to use the area formula. So the area formula for a triangle is base times height divided by 2. So up above, we're given the area and we're given the base. So we can sub those in. So what I want to do is I just want to solve this for the height. So I'm going to multiply both sides of this equation by 2 and I get 2a equals b times h. Then I am going to divide both sides by b to get h by itself. And then we get a little formula for the height. So height equals 2 times the area divided by the base. So we're going to write out our height. So our height is 2 times the area divided by the base, which the area is 2 root 15 minus 3 root 6. So this is 2 times 2 root 15 minus 3 root 6 all over root 15 plus root 6. So this is our real question where we're going to have to rationalize the denominator on this to get our answer. Okay, so now we can just focus on that, on rationalizing this denominator. First thing I'm going to do though is multiply the 2 through the brackets. So 2 times 2 root 15 is 4 root 15 minus 2 times 3 root 6 is 6 root 6 over root 15 plus root 6. And now we'll rationalize the denominator by multiplying top and bottom by root 15 minus root 6. So I'm going to FOIL the numerator because again it's 2 terms and 2 terms. The denominator, if you want to full it, you can full it. So 4 root 15 times root 15 is just 4 times 15. 4 root 15 times negative root 6 is negative 4 root 90. Negative 6 root 6 times root 15 is negative 6 root 90. And then negative 6 root 6 times negative root 6 is going to be plus 6 times 6, because the root 6 times root 6 is just 6, all over root 15 times root 15 is just 15. Root 15 times negative root 6 is minus root 90. Root 6 times root 15 is plus root 90, and then root 6 times negative root 6 is just minus 6. The root 90s in the denominator cancel. Up top, they do not. I'm going to break down those root 90s. So I know 4 times 15 is 60 minus 4 times, well, 90 is 9 times 10. 10 is 2 times 5. It's not going to give them any pairs, but the 9 is 3 times 3. So I know this is going to be a 3 coming out of the radical. So it's going to be 4 times 3 root 2 times 5 is 10 minus, we broke down the 90, so it's going to stay the same. So this is going to be minus 6 times 3 root 10 again, plus 6 times 6 is 36 in the numerator. Collecting like terms in the denominator, we have 15 minus 6 is 9. So our denominator is just 9. Now I'm just going to collect like terms up top. 30 plus 36 is 96. And then I got minus 12 root 10 minus 18 root 10. So negative 12 minus 18 is negative 30, and the root 10 stays the same, all over 9. Now, does anything go into 96, 30, and 9? Well, I know they all divide by 3, and I end up with 32 minus 10 root 10 all over 3. Make sure, if there's a common factor that goes into everything, and it needs to go into everything, that you divide it out, okay? And we're done.